Almost 4.5 years since tragedy took place inside the Tree of Life synagogue, impacting 3 congregations that October morning, the legal phase begins today. Our cameras were there as the attorneys for the accused synagogue shooting suspect, Robert Bowers, walked into the courthouse in downtown Pittsburgh this morning before jury selection began today. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan joins us live now from outside the federal courthouse. Andy, tell us any updates so far.
Well, Christine, this trial is not about guilt or innocence. There is little question about who is responsible for the death of 11 people and the injury of 4 others. What is in question is whether he will face the death penalty. Early this morning, defense attorney Judy Clark arrived at court with her legal team for the beginning of jury selection, which is crucial to both the defense and the prosecution. Clark is looking to avoid the death penalty for her client, and the prosecution will argue that the death penalty is merited in this case. Today, they began interviewing prospective jurors about their opinion on the death penalty. Trial Judge Robert Colville telling them, quote, "We are going to be interested in learning your opinions. We are interested in your opinions about life in prison, and we are interested in your opinions about the death penalty. Simply answer our questions as honestly as you can. The integrity of this process depends on your candor and your truthfulness." The first prospective juror, a woman, told the court she was, quote, "on the fence about the death penalty," quote, "My opinion previously, if it was deserving, it's something that needs to be done. I kind of feel like the circumstance would dictate." Defendant Bowers sat at the defense table dressed in a gray sweater, appearing to be very interested in each prospective juror, taking notes and speaking with defense counsel. Other jurors expressed similar feelings of having an open mind toward the death penalty. Now, they are continuing to interview individual jurors. This is a time-consuming process. It's taking about a half hour for each juror, and each side, the prosecution and the defense, will be able to strike or reject 20 individual jurors. Christine?
Wow, that's interesting, Andy. All right, so how long can we expect this whole jury selection process to last? And also, how long should the trial itself last?
Well, jury selection is expected to take 3 weeks, and this is quite a commitment to these individual jurors. The trial is expected to extend to the end of July.
All right, Andy Sheehan live outside the courthouse. Thank you. We'll see you with more starting tonight at 4.